Today, we're doing something almost impossible in 2025, finding a fun, reliable, and stylish car under $5,000. Whether you want something sporty, luxurious, or just straight up fast, you might not know it, but there are still some gems out there that won't break the bank. So today, we're counting down the top 5 cars you can get for under $5K. Let's get into it. First, let's get into a car that doesn't get the love it deserves. None other than the Audi TT 1.8T, a car that's like the fancy sports coupe you dream about, but on a budget. The Audi TT is tough to beat when it comes to getting style and performance for under $5K. Audi's TT hit the market in the late 1990s and immediately became an icon. The 1.8T is the turbocharged version of this cute but cranky sports car. The 1.8-liter turbocharged engine isn't just about looking pretty, it packs a punch. With all-wheel drive, it's like the Audi Quattro system shrunk into a tiny, stylish coupe. Under the hood, the 1.8T engine pushes out around 180 horsepower and 173 pound-feet of torque. It won't knock your socks off, but it'll keep you grinning. With the Quattro all-wheel drive system, handling is superb in most conditions. It hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7 seconds. Doesn't seem like much today, but for a car under $5K, that's like finding gold in your backyard. The Audi TT's design is iconic. It's like Audi took a classic sports car and sent it to a future where everyone wanted curves instead of sharp angles. Inside, you've got that minimalist cockpit, and let's be real, it makes you feel like a pilot in a fighter jet. Driving this car, think smooth, tight corners and the feeling that the road's your own personal racetrack. The TT is planted but still agile with responsive steering. You can carve through twisty roads and it feels so solid on the highway you'll think you're in a way more expensive car. You can find one of these for around $3,500 to $4,500 in decent condition. Sure, it might be up against the Porsche Boxster and BMW Z3, but if you want all-wheel drive, performance, and killer design on a budget, the TT 1.8T is a solid pick. The modding scene for the TT is alive and well. You can easily add a bigger turbo, a sportier exhaust, or just slap on some custom wheels and call it a day. Audi lovers know that with just a few tweaks, this little car can be a real performance monster. The Audi TT has cemented itself as a modern classic. Even though it's been around for decades, it still stands out in a crowd of sports cars. The best part? The fact that it's affordable enough to grab a decent one without selling a kidney. Audi designed the TT as a showcase of both style and performance. It didn't just scream luxury sports car, but also backed it up in an understated way. The 1.8T model was perfect for people who wanted to be a little different from the BMW crowd but still have some fun. Next up, the Lexus IS300, a car that says, "I'm fancy, but I'm also here to play." It's the luxury sedan that's part party, part serious business. Produced from 2001 to 2005, the IS300 is the entry-level luxury sedan from Lexus, but don't let the entry level fool you. It's got a smooth 3.0-liter inline 6.2 JZ engine that's ready to turn heads. It's also rear-wheel drive, which makes it a real treat for people who love to take corners a little quicker than they should. The IS300's 3.0-liter inline-6 engine produces 215 horsepower and 218 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to give you a solid 0 to 60 mile per hour in around 7 seconds. Which is pretty decent for the price. The rear-wheel drive gives it a more engaging drive, especially when you hit those back roads. The handling is pretty sharp and the car feels planted, perfect for people who want a balance of luxury and sportiness. What sets the IS300 apart? It's the mix of luxury and sport. You get Lexus reliability with a refined ride, but also the fun of rear-wheel drive and great handling. Throw in a few tech features like a decent sound system and a solid build quality, and you've got a car that punches way above its weight. The IS300 was a big deal for Lexus because it helped them break into the sportier sedan market. Before this, Lexus was mainly known for being the boring luxury choice. The IS300 changed that by adding more driving dynamics and styling without losing the brand's signature reliability. Behind the wheel, you've got a car that's fun, but not over the top. It's a great balance between comfort and sportiness, which makes it perfect for daily driving and weekend fun. The rear-wheel drive makes it exciting, but the suspension keeps it smooth. The IS300 has become a cult classic. It's a favorite among car enthusiasts who want an affordable car with a mix of luxury, sport, and reliability. It's also a car that's still sought after by tuners who want a solid platform to build upon. The IS300 has a massive aftermarket scene. You can throw in a turbo or supercharger, upgrade the suspension, or give it that aggressive stance with some aftermarket wheels. The car is a tuner's dream, and there's plenty of potential for anyone who loves to get their hands dirty. You can find one of these beauties for about $4,000 to $5,000, depending on the mileage and condition. The BMW 3 Series and Audi A4 are its competitors, but for the price, the IS300 brings Lexus reliability with rear-wheel drive fun. Coming up next, the American muscle car that'll make your heart skip a beat, the Mustang GT SN95. If you want raw power with that signature growl, this is your car. The Mustang GT SN95, produced from 1994 to 2004, is the car that bridged the gap between the classic Mustang look and modern performance. With its V8, the GT variant is all about power, torque, and getting the job done with style. The 4.6-liter V8 engine in the SN95 Mustang GT pumps out around 305 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque. You can reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6 seconds, which for a car of this era is impressive. The exhaust note, pure American muscle, deep, throaty, and ready to make a statement. It's all about that V8 power. The Mustang GT SN95 brings muscle car performance without the hefty price tag of modern muscle. Add in the retro styling, rear-wheel drive, and an affordable price, and you've got a car that'll make you feel like you're starring in a car chase scene. The SN95 generation marked the revival of the Mustang's performance reputation after a period of more lackluster years. With more modern styling and performance upgrades, the SN95 Mustang GT was a true return to form. Driving this Mustang is an experience. The V8 gives you that satisfying growl, and the rear-wheel drive means it's all about power and handling. It's a raw, unfiltered driving experience with a heavy clutch and great throttle response. It might not be the most refined, but it's certainly the most fun. Prices for the SN95 Mustang GT range from $3,500 to $4,500. It competes with cars like the Chevy Camaro and Dodge Challenger, but for performance per dollar, the Mustang often wins. Bow. This is where the SN95 shines. Want more horsepower? There are endless aftermarket parts for the V8, suspension upgrades, exhaust systems, and superchargers. This car can be modified into a beast for a fraction of the price of a new muscle car. The SN95 Mustang is still loved by enthusiasts for its combination of classic Mustang DNA and modern updates. It helped revive the Mustang as an icon for the next generation of muscle cars. And next up, I had to add the Mazda MX-5 Miata. Sold in Japan as the Yunos Roadster and in North America as the MX-5 Miata, this car didn't just show up in 1989, it made an entrance. On February 10th at the Chicago Auto Show, Mazda unveiled the car and car enthusiasts collectively lost their minds. Back then, it cost $14,000, which sounds adorable until you realize that's about $35,000 in today's money. Still a deal considering what it was going up against. British roadsters that leaked more oil than a deep fryer and handled like shopping carts. The Miata took that classic formula and actually made it work. Production kicked off in May of 1989 for the US and Canada, then Japan in September, and finally Europe in 1990. With that, the global obsession began. At its core, the Miata was a simple and pure idea. Take the best elements of the iconic British roadsters of the 50s and 60s, like the MGB, Triumph Spitfire, and Fiat 124 Spider, and make them work reliably without the constant breakdowns. In fact, while these cars were endearing, they were also notorious for their poor build quality, making them more of a headache than a joy to own. The Miata was here to change that. Design-wise, it was straight up inspired by those post-war British sports cars. The proportions were right, the rear-wheel drive was spot on, and the low-slung stance was perfect. But unlike those temperamental tin cans, the Miata didn't hate you. It didn't want to strand you on the side of the road. The NA Miata came with a steel unibody and an aluminum hood. Lightweight, but not a tin can. It measured just under 4 meters long, 1.67 meters wide, and stood at a low-slung 1.23 meters tall. It weighed in at just 980 kilograms or 2,160 pounds, which is basically nothing in car terms. That means chucking it into corners felt like cheating physics. Last but definitely not least, the Lexus LS400, a luxury sedan so smooth it makes other cars look like they're trying too hard. If you want luxury, performance, and an air of sophistication for cheap, this is your ride. The Lexus LS400 debuted in 1989, and it's been a symbol of reliability and luxury ever since. With a V8 engine, it was designed to compete with the best luxury sedans out there, like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The LS400's 4.0-liter V8 cranks out about 250 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. It's no sports car, but it's a comfortable cruiser that still has plenty of punch. You can get to 60 miles per hour in around 7.5 seconds, enough to give you a decent thrill while cruising the highway. The LS400 is all about refinement. You won't find many luxury cars from the 90s that feel as solid and well-built as this one. It's packed with features like a premium audio system, leather upholstery, and smooth ride quality that make you feel like you're driving a much more expensive car. When Lexus launched the LS400, it was It was a game-changer in the luxury sedan market. It redefined what quality and reliability could mean for a luxury car, giving BMW and Mercedes-Benz a run for their money. Driving the LS400 is all about comfort. The suspension soaks up bumps, and the ride quality is butter smooth. While it's not built for aggressive driving, it's perfect for long trips, making every drive feel like a luxury experience. You can pick up an LS400 for around $3,500 to $5,500. Its main competitors are cars like the BMW 7 Series and Mercedes S-Class, but the LS400 offers incredible reliability at a much lower price point. The LS400 isn't really a performance car, but there's still potential to make it faster with some upgrades. However, most owners stick with keeping it stock, enjoying its smooth and reliable ride. The LS400 remains a symbol of Lexus' commitment to quality, and it has aged gracefully. Even now, it's considered one of the best-built cars from the 90s. So there you have it. 5 of the most fun cars you can snag for under $5K. Whether you're into luxury, sportiness, or just good old muscle, there's something here for every car lover. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more car content. Catch you in the next one.